Hello Kanmanis, now we are going to see the fourth question from exercise 1.3. A graph representing the function f of x is given in the figure. It is clear that f of 9 is equal to 2. See students, here this is the graph given. This graph represents the function. Okay, in this horizontal direction, this one represents the x. And here the vertical direction, these are represents the f of x values. Okay. First subdivision, find the following values of the function. There first one, f of 0 is equal to dash. F of 0, let's see in this graph f of 0, this represents the x values. X value as given 0. For a 0, from this f of x value is, it is a 9. Let's see, this is a graph as given. From this where it is coincides with a 9. So first one answer f of 0 is equal to, which is 9. Okay, then f of 7 is equal to 7 students. Let's see, where is that 7? Here is that 7. From this 7, where it coincides, this graph coincides at this point. At this point, what is the value f of x? Which is 6. So f of 7 is equal to 6. Then next, f of 2 is equal to, f of 2, look at this graph. Here we have the 2. From this 2, see where we have this graph. At this point, this coincides. At this point, what is the f of x value? Which is 6. Therefore, here f of 2 is equal to 6. Then f of 10, yes, from this graph, here we have that 10. This occurs on this horizontal line. Therefore, that the f of x value is 0. 0. Then, for what value of x is, f of x is equal to 1. Now, f of x is equal to 1. In the previous subdivisions, x values as given. Now in this problem, f of x value as given. We have to see in this vertical direction. For f of x is equal to 1 means for what value of x? See where it coincides. At this point it coincides. Which means the x value is between 9 to 10 middle value. Between 9 to 10, what is the middle value? Which is 9.5. Therefore, for x is equal to 9.5, we get f of x is equal to 1. Okay, then third subdivision, describe the following domain and a range from the given function. We have to describe the domain and the range from the given function. Yeah, look at this. Here are the domain and here are the codomains. Okay, this side is domain, here is a codomain. First domain from 0 to 10. Therefore, here the domain is set of x values where x takes value from 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to. Let's see children. Here is 0 to 10. Therefore, here is domain x takes value 0 to 10. And also this x is belongs to a real numbers. Okay. Then range, here are the codomains, 0 to 10 are the codomains. In this 0 to 10 are the codomains means which are the elements are associated, mapped means 0 to 9 only. Therefore, from this figure students 0 to 9 is the range value. Set of x such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9 where x is also one real numbers. Then, what is the image of 6 under f? What is the image of 6 under f means f of 6 is required. Okay. Image of 6 under f, which means f of 6 is required. Okay. Now we have to see 6. Here we have a 6. Yes, where it coincides? At this point it coincides with this graph. Therefore, what is the value? Which is 5. Thank you, Kanmanis.